My dear students and viewers, I am mathematics teacher Tej Bahadur Thapa. Today I am going to teach class 8 subject mathematics and lesson is median. Median. Median is the middle value when items are arranged in ascending or descending order. If there is two middle value, then the average of the two middle value is called the median. And now here individual series or discrete series, if you find the median from median lies n plus 1 upon 2 t as item, where n means number of item. If you find the first of all you find the median class, then median class is equals to median lies is equals to n plus 1 upon 2 t as item. Look at the slide please. Slide. Median. Median is the middle value when items are arranged in ascending or descending order. Ascending or descending order if there is two middle value. If there is two middle value, then the average of the two middle value is called median. The formula of the median is individual or discrete series, median is equals to n plus 1 upon 2 t as item, where n is number of item. Yes. Look at some related questions please. Some problems are here. In question number 1a, find the median of the following data. Number A, 7, 9, 6, 11 and 10. In a median, first of all you arrange the number in ascending or descending order. First of all, you arrange the number in ascending or descending order. Ascending, arrange the number in ascending order. 7, first of all 6, then 7, then after 9, then 10, then 11, and number of data n is equals to how many items here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. Here are 5 items, and median lies or median is equals to n plus 1 upon 2 t as item, means n means 5 plus 1 upon 2, 5 plus 1 upon 2 t as item, 6 by 2 means 3 t as term or item. Third, 3 means RD, third term, third items, means median is third, 1, 2, 3. So, median is 9. Therefore, median is equals to what? 9. It is required answer. Once more please. First of all, if you find the median, first of all arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Now here ascending order please, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. Number of data, how many numbers are here? Here are 5 numbers. Median lies n plus 1 upon 2 th item. It is formula please here. Median lies, it is individual series, and median lies n plus 1 upon 2 th item. 5 plus 1 upon 2 means third item. So, third means, look at here please, first, second, third. Third means median is 9. Median is 9. And next question please, number B. What is the questions here? 30, 32, 28, 23, 21, and next 34. Arrange the data in ascending order. Arrange the data in ascending order. First of all, small number means 21, 21, and next 21, 23, 28, 30, 32 and 34. How many numbers here? Number of data, is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, means it is denoted by n 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And median lies, what is the formula of median lies? N plus 1 upon 2. N plus 1 upon 2 th item. N means 6 plus 1 upon 2 th item, means 7 upon 2 th item, means 7 by 2 means what? 3.5 th item, means 3.5 means first, second, third, between here please here 28 and 30, middle term of 28 and 30. So, median is equals to 3.5 means third term plus fourth term by 2, that means third term 28 plus 30 upon 2 means 58 by 2 means 29. What is the value of median here? Median is 29. It is required answer. Once more please, arrange the data in ascending order. First of all, arrange the data. Number of data is 6. Median is n plus 1 upon 2. N plus 1 upon 2. N means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 1 upon 2 means 3.5. It's 3.5. If the value is 3.5 and middle of third and fourth by 2. Third term plus fourth term by 2. Means third term is 28 and fourth term is 30 by 2, means 29 is the required answer. And next questions, question number 2. What is 2 please? Read out. The median of the following observations arranged in ascending order is 4.5. Find the value of x. Now, here question number 2, 2, 4, x plus 2, x plus 2, x plus 3, and next 6 and 9. The median of the following observation arranged in ascending order. Ascending order is 4.5. Its value of median is 4.5. How many items here? Number of items n is equal to what? 1, 2, that is 3, 4, 5, 6. How many items here? There are 6 items. 6 items. Number of item means 6. Number of item means 6. And median lies n plus 1 upon 2 th item. N means 6 plus 1 upon 2 th item. That's that number is already arranged in ascending order. Its value is already arranged in ascending order. Means 7 by 2 means 3.5 th item. And again median is equals to 3.5 means third and fourth by 2 means third means x plus 2 plus fourth means x plus 3 by 2. What is the value of median is given in our questions? 4.5. 4.5 is the median value. 4.5 is equals to x like sum is added, 2x plus 2 plus 3 is 5 upon 2. Then cross multiply please. 2x plus 5 is equals to 4.5 into 2 is 9. Now you write here or and comma. Now here 2x is equals to 5 is goes to another side. So 9 minus 5 or 2x is equals to 9 minus 5 is 4, x is equals to 4 by 2 means therefore x is equals to what? 2. Value of x is 2. Hence the value of x is 2. It is required answer. Once more please, that question is already arranged in ascending order. Number of item means 6. Median lies is equals to n plus 1 upon 2 th item. 6 plus 1 upon 2 means 3.5. 3.5 means third and fourth by 2. Now middle of those term. So x plus 2 plus x plus 3 upon 2. Then cross multiply and value of x is 2. Hence the value of x is 2. It is required answer or so that value of x is 2 answer. Next please. Yes. Number 3, find the median of the following data. Find the median of the following data. 3A, make a data in ascending order, which is it is generated by X, and worker, next one worker, it is generated by F. Now 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Which is 10 is how many workers there? 20 workers. Next 12 workers. Next 8 workers. Next 10. Next 9. Now 60 is 1. Now you write here CF. CF means cumulative frequency. CF means cumulative frequency. Means first is 20, 20 plus 12, 20 plus 12 is what? 32. Next 32 plus 8 is 40, 40 plus 10, 50, 50 plus 9, 59, or 50 plus 9 is equals to 59, 59 plus 1 is equals to 60. Now sum of F, it is also denoted by N. It's equals to what? Total please, it will be 60. Median lies n plus 1 upon 2 th item, means n means what? 60 plus 1 upon 2 means 61 by 2 means 31.5. Median is 31.5. Now here 31.5 is just after 20, and it lies here. It lies here. The C of just greater than 31.5 is 32. 31.5, the C of just greater than 31.5 is 32. So, its corresponding value is, be state please, now 20. The corresponding value is 20. Now here please 21 also, 21 also here, 21 lies also here, 22 also here, 23 also here, 24, 25, 26 like the 31.5 also here and 32 also here. So, its corresponding value is 20, hence the median is, median is 20, it is required answer. Once more please, it is data, the wages 10 is 20 workers, 20 is 12, 30 is 8, 40 is 10 and 50 is 9 and 60 is 1. Cumulative frequency 20, 20 plus 12, find the sum of those please, and 32 plus 8 and 40 plus 10, 50 plus 9 plus 1 also, it will be 60. Then sum of frequency is n is equals to 60. Median lies n plus 1 upon 2 th item, n means 60, 60 plus 1, then using the value. Now here calculation please, 31.5, that is 31.5, its cumulative frequency 31.5 is, the CF just greater than 31.5 is 32. So, its corresponding value is 2, hence median is 20. And second question please, question number B. Now, x is 3, 6, 10, 12, 17 and 15, that is arrange the data first of all please there. 3, 6, 10, 12, first is 15, then after 17 you write please. 15 frequency is 10 and 17 frequency is 13, that is also very easy. First is 15, then after 17 please you write. Please here 3b, it is x, it is f. Now here x is 3, 6, 10, 12 and first of all 15, then after 17, because arrange the data. Look at whiteboard please. 3 is 3, 6 is 4, 10 is 2, 12 is 8, 15 is 10 and 17 is 13. You easily try these problems, just only that is our difference. Now here first is 17, then after 15 you arrange the data. Yes. And my dear students, please try this one question also, and some questions are here please. Look at the slide please, try yourself. Question number 1, find the median of the following data A and B, and 2 also very easy. And next question number 3 and 4 also try please. Only 4 questions. My dear students, please try yourself. Thank you everybody. Goodbye. Have a nice day.